Now that state exhaustion DDoS attacks are again on the rise, what is considered the best practice for detecting and blocking these types of attacks? TCP state table flood attacks are making a comeback. A rebalancing of the scales brought TCP-based flood DDoS attacks in line with the 3-year running champion, Reflection and Amplification DDoS Attacks. One of the contributing factors to the growth is the increase in how networks are accessed by users and other devices, mainly due to the rise in work-from-home populations. Some of the typical targets for the bad guys are stateful devices, like VPNs used by the work-from-home employees, as well as firewalls that are also involved in network access management. In fact, 83% of the World Infrastructure Security Report respondents reported DDoS attacks in which overloaded firewalls and/or VPN devices contributed to an outage. This is up 21% from previous years. Firewalls and VPNs are stateful devices, meaning they track network connection information like IP addresses, ports, and protocols. All this data collection activity is resource intensive because this information is kept in a table as part of what is generally referred to as stateful connection tracking. Memory for stateful tracking is always limited, and even high-performance devices capable of handling millions of connections are vulnerable to the exhaustion-type DDoS attacks designed to overwhelm these systems by creating too many network connections to be able to track. Because state exhaustion attacks are designed to mimic legitimate traffic, they are difficult to detect with traditional cloud-based solutions. The best practice is to employ an always-on, on-premises stateless solution that cannot be overwhelmed by this type of attack, and is reactive enough to detect and challenge this type of traffic for a quick response and mitigation. The availability of business-critical services is essential, and not just to avoid the loss of revenue. This increase in DDoS attacks on stateful devices will affect your bottom line. Having a comprehensive DDoS protection strategy can help safeguard that bottom line.